Saving the best for last, we are now headed into space with suborbital travel. While we have discussed the benefits of reducing congestion and commuting time, what if we could achieve this by leaving the Earth's atmosphere? Suborbital travel involves spacecrafts taking you up a few hundred kilometers above the Earth's surface, but not high enough to go into orbit. This allows you to experience weightlessness as you drop back down to Earth. While this isn't strictly used for travel purposes, it could be developed into a form of public transport and could dramatically reduce travel time. For example, a flight from Tokyo to New York could take just a few hours instead of 14. Virgin Atlantic and Blue Origin are currently developing suborbital spacecrafts with the intention of using them for tourism or point-to-point travel. However, as with most vehicles on this list, safety and cost are major considerations that need to be addressed, but with the potential to change the world forever, suborbital travel is definitely a transport concept to keep an eye on.